Y'all waited till the rain stopped. Yeah. Beautiful skies. And I still end up putting something on the grill. Now, my plan was to make these skinless, boneless chicken thighs with corn and some turkey burgers or like turkey hot dogs. But I think this would be pretty cool. Go in the house with this and make some macaroni and cheese or something on the side. Everything will be copacetic. Yeah, I put onions and apples and garlic underneath with the coals. So it kind of like helps with the smell. Also, it helps with the meat too. I think like not by the ball or not by the fire, y'all. But yeah, beautiful skies. Beautiful sky. Beautiful sky. Justice, but what? And off as soon as you came by this door, came in the house. So this is the freaking wow. This is the dry rub I use, right? Okay, hold on. Dry rub that I use, and it's really not even. He disappointed me. I used to watch a lot of cooking shows and competitions and stuff. I love the 3D driver dining and dives and stuff. He really disappointed me. The seasoning was good. I tried it before I put it on the chicken type stuff. And it was good. Like, it's cool, but I had better barbecue ribs, but that's crazy. But instead of making macaroni and cheese, I think I'm gonna just make a side salad. Sorry, y'all. Real juicy. Try it. Tell me what you think.
Yum, yum, yum.
I don't care. But yeah. I think I'm gonna just make like a kale. I got like a salad mix with like cranberry, raspberry stuff. So I think that would be a cool little mixture. That mixture. Can I get that mixture? Mixture. Yeah. Let that sound go viral. The mixture. Would you like a tea or a lemonade? Can I get that mixture? Bum, 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 mixture. Bum, bum. See me? That mixture. Bum, 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 mixture. Bum, bum. Okay. As soon as I turned the camera on me, she started doing a little dance. But yeah, this rub, low-key a little bit disappointed me, but it's still, look. Like, I'm gonna give you your own piece or your own plate at this point. But it disappointed me because I'm like known for chicken. Whatever type of chicken I make, I'm good with it. So, but it's good. I made it. I'm good. Added that little liquid smoke to it. What are you using that for anyway? Girl,
Can I use it for my recipe?
Huh?
What did it say?
What did you say?
Can I use it for my recipe?
A little bit and bring it back.
Okay.
What you saying?
Me?
Yeah.
I love you.
I love you more. You gotta love it. You got to. You got to. Yeah, so bring it back in. Okay, bring it back here. So I can put it in the cabinet. I kind of already knew that was going to happen. Let me see it. Yes, ma'am. It was a little delayed, but they still say it. Okay. That's why. Do you see both sides? This is like you're dumping out the whole thing in one tilt. Go pick up your mess. The other side has little holes.
The other side have little holes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Whole time, Samaya's knocked out for the count. She been knocked out this whole time.
That feel better.
Well. All right now. Happy Sabbath. Oh, y'all. Let me take that back. Triple D. It's cute too. It's alright. It's alright. It's good. It is good. And it's not dry. I don't like anything dry. I don't like anything dry. Y'all know what I'm saying? That's why you gotta have your own backside, front. You gotta have everything. Be people like you. Just look at me and not say now nada. Not let me know nah. I'm just kidding. mm. Corn on the cob. Okay. Y'all be blessed. Have a blessed night and many more to come. And yeah, there's no time limit for barbecue. Before rain, after the rain. Candy coated raindrops. Everybody love rain. I'm just kidding. But yeah. Have a good day. Be happy. Be happy. And test yourself sometimes. That's another thing I can add. Test yourselves. Because that video I made of me running in place, that was real life. And I was real life getting on my daughter's nerves. From them hearing that sound. All I was trying to do is simply run in place so I can live a longer life for them. But yeah. Y'all. I delayed it. I was supposed to get my hair done or get my hair so I can do my hair. But I delayed it again. So I'm going to just wait a couple of days after their doctor's appointment or whatever. And then, God bless you, Mama. And then go ahead and do that. Have y'all been noticing, like, insects and bugs and, like, even some animals? They've been acting weird as heck lately. And I know it's not me. It's not only me because I've been seeing videos too. But, like, I had encounters already and stuff. I'm like, dang, like, God bless you, Mama. The world is shifting for real. And you can tell from not only the weather and people and stuff, but just like animals and insects too. It's like it's showing a lot. So pay attention, y'all stay woke. And when you go to sleep, get all the sleep and rest you need to get back at it. Alright. Ooh, excuse me. So she wants me to try her recipe. Hold up, swole up. Hey now. Say now. Hold on. Over here, this is what she was mixing her recipe with seasoning and with, I guess, water. She's mixing it up with this brush. Okay. Hold on, wait. So you ready to make your plate?
Yeah.
You ready to eat? So I'm like, maybe tomorrow, then tomorrow, maybe I say, I don't feel like it. So I'm like, okay. And stop the Jurassic movie. Have me and April go outside. But I like pre-boiling my meats anyways before I fry it. Or, like barbecue it. I like pre-boiling it. It helps with the time you cook. It helps with the texture and the moistness and juiciness of your meat. It helps a lot. So let them know you got it from here, from PQ. But yeah, the meat was already pre-boiled a little bit, and it was boneless and skinless. Skinless is cool. Usually the bones, especially for thighs or any meat, that's where it gets its juicy and flavorness from and stuff. So,
Okay.
but it was really good with some simple corn on the cob and a salad on the side. You can't go wrong with that. You can't. Might as well slice up the chicken and make a chicken salad. Oh, one sit up. Played that off. See, random workouts. I be trying to like tell myself random workouts. Yeah. Yeah. So you still like chefing it up over here? What's that mean?
I got some seasoning. I got some hot. And I'm going to pour it in here. Big fella.
Big fella? Hey, I'm not a fella. I am not a fella.
That's you. Why, cutie booty?
Okay, cutie booty is like crazy, but I'm not a fella. I can't say nothing about the first part, but I'm not a fella. No, do not put that in your hair. Now you're taking to an extreme. No, ain't that your recipe with seasonings in it? With Cabenuva, you're good to go. Without daily HIV pills. Y'all be great. Talk to your doctor about Let the kids be great. Y'all be great. I don't know if I should look straight like this. I don't know if I should look straight like this. Or like this. Which one? Which one? Should I look into the camera? Because I don't be looking at the camera. Sometimes I just be looking straight at me so I can see what I look like. But y'all be great. Let the kids be great. And yeah, God loves everyone, so I love everyone. I'm going to stop bugging people though. And like, I'll leave them be. And let everything just flow naturally.
America's #1 trusted paper towel.
And that's for multiple individuals. And I'm really thinking about my siblings, because I'll like reach out and play grandma and stuff, and sometimes they don't like that, and I'm like, okay, let me leave it. Let me leave everybody be.
Play grandma?
Play grandma? How you play grandma?
Because you look like a grandma.
I look like a grandma?
And then you like it
with a walking stick.
Yes, I do.
It's reducing itself every time it recycles. So eventually
Like that?
That's like that.
That's a grandma. That's a grandma?
Now do it.
Okay. Okay, so hold it. Okay. Point it to me. Okay. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. What you doing over there? You hear yourself? The camera's supposed to be on me. You go ahead and stick up all the tools. Call my mother. Alright. Oh! I got it. But you gonna just watch your grandmother struggle? Okay, go. Okay, we gotta be serious. Act like Granny. Act like Granny. Act like my mom. No, act like my mom. Act like Granny. That's what Granny do?
Can I be Egg Bowl again?
Yes, of course. I love you to be my daughter again. That's what you were called to be. It's good to have fun with the babies. But yeah, let me watch over this video to see if I'm gonna even post it. And yeah. Y'all be happy. Be blessed. Be careful getting y'all here. I always heard stories about going to the African shop to get your hair braided. But I didn't realize until this happened. I'm just kidding. Until I had experience hands-on. Hands-on. And see my freaking hair fall out. That's when I realized people were right. Yeah, you guys are great. You guys are awesome. Keep your heads up. So yeah.